In this session, we're going to be talking a little bit about messaging on LinkedIn. This is a feature that has proven to be pretty popular. It was a little bit controversial when it first came in, but most people are liking it these days. So when you're on your home page, you will see the option to use messages up here at the top. You'll also see it down here in the right hand side, and so you have the option to go either place. So if I click on messaging at the top, here is what comes up. Now I have LinkedIn Premium. That's the only reason why you see this Recruiter inbox and Sales Navigator inbox. With a free account, these would not appear. But as you can see, the messages are listed in the left rail in reverse chronological order, and you do have the ability to search your messages, which can be helpful. As you can see, you can search all messages, archive just those from your connections. If you're getting a lot of messages, your unread messages, those from InMail. Blocked is a feature, honestly, I have not used. But you do have the ability to search messages by name and by keyword, and the keyword aspect can be helpful. One of my pet peeves is that you can't see your thread of messages if you go to someone's profile from their profile. And at some point, I hope LinkedIn changes that. Now, you have the ability to send a new message either from right here in the upper left or down here in the lower right. Both of these allow you to do the exact same thing, which is start a new message to one person or to multiple people. Keep in mind you're going to be typing the name up here and then come down here to actually write the message. As you can see, you can attach an image. You can also attach a file to your messages. If you go to this gear icon down here in the lower right, you see the option to manage your settings. So you can decide whether you always want to open new messages right away, whether you want a sound associated with a new message coming in, and you can manage your active status. Now, if you click on this, it'll take you to this screen, which is part of your privacy settings. And as you can see, you have the option to decide whether your connections only see when you're on LinkedIn, everybody, or no one. Now, the active status, what it's referring to are these green or semi-green dots. If you see this green dot with the white dot in the middle, the green circle, white dot in the middle, that means that the person just has their settings set so that they're notified when they get a message. They may not be on LinkedIn right now, but if you send a message, they will get a notification when they either on their phone or when they log in. If this is a solid green dot, I'm trying to find one as an example, it means that the person is currently logged in to LinkedIn, which increases the likelihood that they'll see a message from you right away if you send them a message. You also have the option, as we just saw, to turn this on or off or limit who's able to see if you're active on LinkedIn. So that is what I wanted to cover for now in terms of messages. And again, I hope that it helps, and have a great day.